Hey guys, TekGeekHD here again with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my top 3 productivity apps for iOS. Now, while I am testing these on iOS 7, the GM beta, you should be able to use them just fine on an iOS 6 device. So starting off, the first application that I want to show you guys today is one that I've been finding myself use quite often on my phone ever since I discovered it a couple days ago through a friend of mine's video, and that is called My Script Calculator. Now, since I am at school and I do study math because I am part of the IB program, and for those of you who are doing the IB, you will know that it is a mandatory subject, and simply for that, I always have to end up doing mathematics, and I'm not a very good math student, honestly. But this calculator application has genuinely really helped me with a lot of my equations and trying to make my process faster. Now, as you guys can see, what my script basically allows you to do is actually write out or draw out the equation that you're trying to display, and gives you an answer in a matter of seconds. And you can actually work with these equations and solve them even further. You can keep adding different things to them, go back and forth in the steps, and just start over if you guys would like. You can do some fairly complex calculations. It's not like you can do very long algebraic equations or anything of the sort, but it does really help to speed up your process and to make calculations quicker, easier, and more intuitive. Now, the next application that I have to show you guys is one that is very popular and is very similar to a bunch of other applications, and that is called Google Drive. Now, since I am a fairly avid Google user and I do use a lot of their products from Gmail to YouTube, I have found myself using Google Drive more than once, or rather on more than one occasion. And Google Drive, for those of you who are wondering, is an online backup storage facility where you guys can upload photographs, folders, etc. And if it does sound familiar, it's because it's very, very similar to a service like Dropbox, which is, in my opinion, the best alternative. If you guys are not very big Google users and you don't want to find yourself using Google services that often, then in that case, I would definitely recommend Dropbox instead of Google Drive. I simply use it because I am a pretty large Google user. Now, the last application on this list is my favorite newsreader of all time, and that is called Flipboard. Now, the reason that I genuinely do enjoy using Flipboard over the majority of other news reading applications on the iOS platform is simply because of its user interface. Now, Flipboard is also available on Android, as is Google Drive, and I'm not entirely sure about My Script Calculator, so if any of you do have an Android device on hand, do let me know in the comment section below. That will genuinely help out a lot of the other users watching this video. Now, as you guys can see here, Flipboard has this really nice interface where you can flip through different articles. It is fairly gesture-based. It has a bunch of navigation buttons at the top or share buttons at the top, but most of the navigation is done just using your thumb to navigate through in and out articles, as well as flip between them. Now, essentially, guys, that does about conclude this video. There isn't too much more for me to tell you guys about these applications because they are very simple, and all 3 of these applications are free on the Apple App Store. So if you guys would like to check them out, do remember to go and check them out. They all are all for free, as I said before, so honestly, it isn't really going to cost you anything to go try them out. Now, either way, guys, I do genuinely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be awesome if you guys could leave it a like rating, and for more videos like these, please do remember to subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.